I really like how the staking approach came out, so I decided I'm going to post this as both a main video about how I set up my whole garden, and that more details will be in, but this is a quick tip. What I'm doing here is I take some 32-inch bamboo skewers, some rubber coated wire. I'll post below. You can get these skewers for about 88 cents in your local big box store. They're throwaway marshmallow toasting skewers. Probably last more than one season. We'll see about that. And they have a sharpened end on them already. So perfect for this application. And then you just take about 10 or 12 inches of this rubber wire. It's easy to cut. As the plant grows up, you can either slide this one up or just keep adding different layers of the rubber wire, and then by the time it gets up to this height, the main stem should be very strong and stable enough to hold itself in the bigger cages, which are designed for when the plant bushes out. All you do is take the wire, put it around one bamboo stick, give it a turn, and crisscross it like this just to make it a little stronger. Just give it a little twist, and then you can just straighten it up and squeeze it and keep that plant right in place. And as the plant grows, you just slide that wire right up or add different levels. Works either way. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. If you're interested in gardening tips and tricks, check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're going to see.